Hello everyone, this is Fabio Carvalho and you're watching now ADISRA SmartView course. Today's topic will be screen objects. The screen objects can be used for creating a navigation, for example. Let's say we're creating the interface and we decided to have multiple pages. We're going to be using a few buttons to be able to navigate through all these pages. So let's start our project. First, let's create a main screen. I'm gonna be zooming out a little bit. Let's put 50%. Okay, we can start now. Let's put a rectangle as a top bar. We can have options to customize the border or the fill color. I'm gonna choose a fill color now as red. Now let's put another rectangle. It's gonna be the side menu. And I want to put the options to change the screen inside this side menu. What can we use? Let's put a circle here. So the circle is gonna be my button. So it's not needed to use a button actually. You can use any geometrical object and just add a script to it. Okay. I think we need to align. I'm gonna select all the 4 of them. Let's go to the aligning and choose vertical alignment. Okay, looks better. Now let's add the screen object. I'm gonna be putting in the white part. Okay, this area is gonna contain any pages that we want to open. Let's give a name to the screen object, content screen, and keep in mind that we're going to be using this name later. We can also set this initial screen. Right now we don't have any screen, so I cannot select any. Next step, let's create the pages. Since we decided to use 4 of them, let's create the first one as storage, and we have many options there. Since we're going to be feeding inside the content screen, these are the size that we need to use. So I'm going to create the storage screen of the same size as the screen object. Let's put a label to identify storage and let's save it. Now let's create a second one. This is going to be the process. Next one is going to be the recipe. And the last one is the alarm. I used the save as to resave a page that I already decided the size. So just changing now the labels. Okay, I can identify each one of them. And let's save the main screen. Let's get the name of the screen object again, and whenever you select the circle you can specify scripts. So I'm gonna put in the mouse down now. Content screen dot set screen and storage. Storage is the name of the page that I want to open inside that screen object. And let's do the same thing for the other ones. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, let's set now the main as the initial screen of the viewer. And now we can set also the initial screen of the screen object as alarm, just to make sure that something is going to be opened. Let's run the application. And let's click each circle. And you can see now the pages are changing according to the selection. That was a quick example. If you didn't know how to write the set screen, you can always go to the help page, write in the search screen. Second one here is a screen. Let's click it. And you have a lot of information on how to use the screen object. You can scroll down, take a look, and you're gonna be learning much faster. And that's it. Thanks a lot for watching this video.